with big chance Bitcoin will make a rise. At this moment, the most important question, where to take trades, set stop losses, and all of this stuff. That's why let's break down what's going on with BTC, why I think about rise, and exact entry points that I shared in our VIP club. First, about BTC, last update I did with you 5 days ago, where I explained to you why I expect potential rise with BTC and other top coins, Solana, Ethereum, and all of this stuff. Price of BTC at that moment was 77, and I shared two scenarios. After that, I again shared here these two scenarios. If price take low, we take long, or in the case of structure change, breakout 82, we take long. You saw that Bitcoin broke structure, and at this moment we follow second plan. That's why soon I will show to you my entry point before I ask you to push like and go right now follow me on Telegram, because in many cases I share free updates about BTC and other top coins exactly here that you would never miss in one place. First, let me explain to you why, if you remember, last few updates I shared about long. First, main reason, when we have super negative news such as Trump and his tariffs, all of this stuff, and price of BTC did so little reaction, because I saw many times when BTC dropped 20% per day, 25% per day. But what happened when Trump said that he started tariffs? Bitcoin dropped nearly 10%. It shows to us that there is no powerful seller here, because if there would be powerful sellers, drop would be bigger. Which means if there is no powerful sellers, it means that quite a lot of people that were in a long positions what happened to their positions? Yes, they forced to sell it with losses. And when there are a lot of long buyers, price makes significant drop. Main reason why at this moment drop is small, I think there is not a lot of people with leverage who price can liquidate. That's why there is no reason for additional bigger drop. That's why there are quite a lot of reason to go up and test some of important key levels. That's a reason why at this moment I think about potential rise. It is a macro reason. Plus, price of BTC since Trump in office was nearly 3 months in this downside trend, which quite good healthy pullback. During that time, most of altcoins dropped since Trump went into office. Ethereum dropped by 66%. Solana during that moment dropped, I think, also more than 60%. It is 67%. Sui dropped by 67%. Like a lot of coins dropped a lot. And I think that was a good for healthy pullback. And at this moment, price have opportunity to rise. Where exactly we would take a trade? Let me show to you a secret that I shared with our community. It is exactly signal that I gave to our community. That's a reason why I ask you to support me with your like. At this moment, I would like to take long. In the case of such range creation, for me at this moment, the most important key level, it is 82,400. Why this level is super important for me? Because it would be first deviation of this swing VWAP that we started from this range. Plus, it would be a local range. In a case of low taking, it would be, I think, a lot of buyers who took long in a range. Their stop losses, and their stop losses is a perfect place to take a trade. What would be our clear targets? Before I tell you, I ask you to join our community, Advanced Beaker Trading Club, because on daily basis, we share with you clear signals, clear trading plans, what you do. Below this video, below this analysis, there would be such a link. You open this form, you fill it, your name, email, phone number, and after that, my team will connect with you and will help you to join in order to receive clear signals on daily basis where to take trades. Also, we share clear trading plans on other top coins where exactly we take trades, where exactly we plan to set stop losses, all what you need to make money. What would be our targets, as I shared with you right now? First, the most important target, it would be this swing high. Of course, if price create a range, this swing high, it would be first good target because it is a last level from which price did beautiful drop. After that, we have another important level. It is 94,800, 96,120. Why this zone is super important? Because it would be a combination of many levels all together. First, it would be swing high. Second, it would be start of this high volume node and POC of this entire range. And it would be value area low, which is here. Like it's a lot of levels exactly in this area. That's why for me, it's the most important target. Price create a range. After that, we close part here. Second part, we close here. Why we pay attention to a range at this moment? Because range, it is the best form of entry for continue of a trend. Example for you, like this one. What price did? Price created a range, and after that, beautiful drop. Another example, even here, local range, price took high, poof, continue of a drop. Another example, even here, what price did? Price created a range, took many lows, and after that, boom, beautiful rise. Like a range, it is the best form because when you take a trade outside of a range, your risk to reward ratio always really awesome. Because what's the main problem to take a trade right now? Because at any moment, there could be that stop loss hunt. Example, if you would take a trade right now, imagine situation, you take long in this very moment, your stop loss must be really, really big. Your stop loss must be like 4 or 5%. In order to take at least 1 to 3 risk reward, price should test point of control of this entire range. Like it's possible to take trades with such big stop loss, but better when you take it at least at some swing lows. But when you are in the middle, at any moment, a significant stop loss hunt could be. That's a reason why it is in your interest better to take a trade after a range, and only after that you will have good entry point. In what case we can take a short trade on Bitcoin? Before I tell you, I ask you to push like and follow us on Telegram. Remember, the link will be in description. The best places to take short, of course, would be only at one of these key zones. First key zone, as I shared here, it is point of control of a range plus swing high. Honestly, here it would be really interesting for short. This swing high around 100, okay, and best of the best, of course, 106 or 109. It is key areas where to take short would be just best of the best. Right now, still chances to take high or even this high is big. That's a reason why at this moment I don't have a good short plan. Maybe something will change. I will do update for you when something will change. That's why once more, my friend, remember to follow me, join community, and right now watch this video lesson about my strategy where I will show to you more examples why it's so important to use ranges, because those ranges will help you avoid losses and make really decent profits when price will move into your favor. Have a good time.